Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily adjust the zoom settings in Gmail. If you've ever had trouble reading your emails because the text is too small or too large, this quick guide will help you find the perfect size for a comfortable view. Let's dive right in. First, open your favorite web browser and go to gmail.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. This will take you straight to your inbox. Now, to zoom in and make everything larger and easy to read, press and hold the Control key if you are on PC or the Command key if you are using a Mac. While holding that key, press the plus key. You will notice the text and images in Gmail grow bigger right away. If you want to zoom in even more, simply press the plus key multiple times while holding the Control or Command key until you reach your ideal size. On the other hand, if your screen looks too big, you can easily zoom out by pressing and holding the Control or Command, then tapping the minus key. Each press will make the page smaller so you can fine-tune the display perfectly. Keep in mind, these zoom controls work not only in Gmail but on any website since they are a browser feature. And that's it. Just a few simple keyboard shortcuts to make your Gmail experience much easier on the eyes. Thanks for watching.